Welcome, Twitch viewers. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch, and if you're only viewing the content on Twitch, make sure you come over and watch us on YouTube. Like 90% of our content will be missed if you don't watch on YouTube. So make sure you check us out over there. Thanks to everybody who has. Tell your friends and foes about us. We don't believe the algorithms are being favorable. Anyway, let's talk about forecasting your weather. The jet streams are a very effective way to forecast global weather patterns. They tell us where the most likely places for high pressure systems and clear skies are going to be located. There is the jet stream environment for the Western world. Upper level low pressure eddies happening here in the North Atlantic, two different spots. One of them is a anticyclone. This one's rotating clockwise, and the other one is a low pressure rotating counterclockwise. Large anticyclone over South America as well. You can see this counterclockwise rotation in the southern hemisphere. That is an anticyclone. Big time anticyclone over a large portion of the South American continent. Did you know that the Great Red Spot on Jupiter is an anticyclone and not a, quote, storm, end quote? Yeah. It's a high-pressure system, folks. Anyway, here are the surface winds of the eastern world, and we've got a cyclonic system here in between the Aleutians and Hawaii. Check it out. Some strong winds up there, making it nearly to hurricane-force winds. There's a quick measurement of 67 miles per hour. Let's look at the jet streams over here. Is there a jet stream component? Not so much. A little bit of chaos in the jet stream happening over eastern Australia. Shout out to Kimberly, one of our viewers from around that area. And shout out to our Tasmanian viewers. Our Tasmanian viewers down there endeavoring to Mensa, make Earth not suck again. Here's your lower 48 pressure and precipitation forecast for the next 3 days. It's a 72-hour GFS forecast. That's from tropicaltidbits.com. Looks like there's going to be some precipitation in the eastern portion of the U.S. and some snow in New York. Also in the northern Rockies, some snow expected to fall here. Precipitation in most of the northwestern portion of the country as well. Next, let's do a snow forecast. Here's the current state of snow depth, and it's looking pretty snowy in the northern hemisphere once again after we've seen 5 record-breaking winters in terms of snow mass in the northern hemisphere. Perhaps we're moving in for a 6th. Anyway, here's your European snow forecast. We're just going to let this one play through. Actually, we're going to advance this to Thanksgiving. So there you go. There's Thanksgiving. That's right at midnight, the night before. Let's move it forward. There's a European forecast for 2 a.m. on Thanksgiving. So that's your snow depth forecast. Again, that's the European model. Not expecting it to be particularly snowy for Thanksgiving at the moment. Next, your weather.gov map, and it's lacking weather warnings at the moment. However, if your county's lit, just click it. We've got some stuff going on there in southern Alaska. Heavy freezing spray warnings. That's not fun for people on boats. Again, if your county's lit, just head to weather.gov and click on your county and read all about what the warning is if there is one. Here's your lightning mapper. It's a NASA GOES lightning mapper. It's the GOES 16 East, and it's not very lightning-y at the moment. Looks like an errant lightning bolt struck somewhere. Small little thunder shower there in Illinois has recently occurred. Yes, Illinois, my favorite French state. Anyway, things are pretty chill on the lightning front now, according to lightningmaps.org. Let's move on. To invite you all to check out BitChute. We've got exclusives over there. Let's scroll way down on the list of videos. We've only been putting up our meteorology segments. Our latest BitChute exclusive is entitled Suck It Facebook, aka Meta. What a joke. I hope they start to meta exist, if you know what I mean. Thanks again to our YouTube viewers. If you're only viewing on BitChute, once again, make sure you check us out on YouTube. You're missing 90% of the content. If you're viewing on BitChute, you're not seeing our daily space weather videos at the moment. So go please watch them on YouTube. They're exclusive there for some reason, even though we're paid almost nothing to make the videos, thanks to our Smash team for helping to keep these videos in existence and publicly visible and so on. Smashomash.com/Smash team. We've replaced Patreon with our own subscription website. It's vastly superior. Here is a little teaser. And we're going to be making a lot more public posts throughout the holiday season. So at least until the year 2022, you can expect to see a lot of posts that will be visible without a membership at smashomash.com/Smash team. You can find a link to it at the homepage at smashomash.com. Also links to our merch. There's one of the most recent posts, the GDAX Daily Report. Welcome to the NER Renaissance viewers. Congratulations on realizing that the channel exists. How did you do it? I don't know. Check out the smAsho merch. There's a sale going on, 25% off apparel. So make sure you enter the promo code. Here are our designs in order of popularity, reverse order of popularity, because I'm scrolling up. What the heck? Let's try this again. Stop redrawing. I would invite you all to forgive, remember, and hold accountable. When will there be accountability, folks? Is it 2 years in succession of incompetence? What is up with that? The definition of fraud is intentional misrepresentation of material facts, something you'll never see happen on this channel, but something you'll see critiqued regularly on the channel. Fraud, the intentional misrepresentation of material facts. If you pick up any apparel, make sure you use the promo code 25 off apparel to save 25% through tomorrow. Thanks to our new Twitch followers. Twitch.tv/smashomash is where the video was originally streamed. And I'm just checking the life of the stream here. Everything looks A-OK. Let's blast through some more information. Here's the water vapor environment over the Pacific Ocean. You can see a bunch of moisture making its way into the northwestern U.S. as we cited a few minutes ago. Water vapor over the Pacific Ocean. Here's your U.S. Doppler Radar map. We'll show all 50 states briefly. You can see some precipitation striking the southern Alaskan region there. Here is the lower 48s. Doppler Radar. Some pretty heavy rains there in places like Louisville. Here's the cloud layer showing cloud and fog with the shortwave radiation map. Low clouds over much of the North Atlantic continue. Here is the water vapor map, and you can see that atmospheric river making its way down into Montana as we speak. Some cold air pushing down into North Dakota and into Minnesota as well. Here's the U.S. Doppler Radar map for your recap. There's the cloud layer. And there's the water vapor. Make sure you consult this one. If the Doppler radar is not helping, this will give you insight, especially if you realize that this dry air is more massive than this moist air. Most certainly. Hopefully that helps. As we would like you to be able to forecast your own weather. You've got plenty of information to do it on the internet. So thanks for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho. Visit our links below the video, please, and support the channel if you'd like these videos to continue to exist and be publicly visible. And I'm signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.